everybody. This is Darquan 223, and let's see if I can even find what I'm looking for. Here we go. Today we are going to be exploring what you see, this region of space right here on the outside with all this crap. This is what they call the Kuiper Belt. Looks like there's something else over there. The Kuiper Belt is located just beyond Neptune's orbit, anywhere from 30 to 50 astronomical units away from the Sun. An astronomical unit is roughly the distance between Earth and the Sun. Now, it's made up of old solar objects that are made primarily of volatiles in ice form, like nitrogen, water, carbon dioxide, ammonia, hydrogen, methane, and sulfur dioxide, and was only discovered since pretty much 1992. It was theorized about existing before that, but wasn't exactly known about until the discovery of 1992 QB in 1992. What do they call it? A subplanet? Pluto. And I know a lot of people think it's a planet. People still argue to this day that it's a planet, but it's not. And you know, here's why. This area right here, as you can see, a little far out, and there's lots of stuff in it. Like this thing, this, if I can click on it. And most notably, one of the new things they found is, where'd it go? There we go. This guy right over here. This is a planet, not really that dissimilar from Pluto. Jesus, it spins fast. But a recent discovery is that this actually has a moon, just like Pluto. So far, 3 dwarf planets have been discovered that exist in the Kuiper Belt, and those are Pluto, Makemake, and Haumea, and all 3 actually have moons. So, you know, the Kuiper Belt's full of stuff that is that just like planets, but not completely. And I know a lot of people are wondering probably like, why isn't it a planet? Well, it was kind of a trade-off. Basically, any object to be considered a planet, let me see if we have any better simulations here. To be considered a planet, everything has to be, oh wow, they have Planet 9. I'm going to have to look at that. But to be considered a planet, an object must have not done this. It has to clear itself, its area. Oh my god. It has to clear its area of debris, just like Earth is doing now, as it dies a slowly horrible death. And, wow, that looks like the sun. And it has to be big enough to form into a circle where objects in space basically get... Is that all this is in here? Yep. Objects in space basically just accumulate mass until they get big enough that they develop their own gravity, and it kind of crushes the object down. And it crushes the object down into this circular shape right here that we have all throughout the solar system. And, you know, Pluto and Makemake have obviously gotten to that point. So has stuff like Sirius and man, I'm blanking on a lot of these names, but many things in the Kuiper Belt have gotten big enough that they are circles. It's something that just happens. But they haven't, however, cleared their area of any debris, which is the deal breaker for things like Pluto and all the rest of the Kuiper Belt objects. I wonder if they have an accurate representation of what the Kuiper Belt would be. No. Wow, they have Saturn and moons. Nebulas. Wow. Dice. See, what is that? I mean, I guess I could look at it to see. Alright, I am going to look at the Planet 9. Oh yeah. That's actually, from what I've been reading about, it is an accurate representation of Planet 9. Wow, why is it at 2030 something? Now, this planet's going to have like a really weird orbit. It basically goes around every, like, oh God, I don't even know, 50 million years or something like that. But yeah, that's what I've learned. It was about where it's supposed to be. Supernova close-up in real time. Wow. That's actually very, very cool. See, Planet 9 would be another thing that would, I don't think it's like close to the Oort cloud. God, that is so cool. The Oort cloud is, it's way on the edges of our solar system, so it'd be past even where the Kuiper Belt is by quite a bit, actually, I believe. Though still just a theory, the Oort cloud is thought to exist 50 to 200,000 astronomical units away at the very edges of the sun's influence, and could even be the home of a lot of comets that we have in our solar system today. But god damn. See, this is really cool. And it actually looks cool too. Basically, it's getting ready to explode. Well, it probably is exploding right now. Can I speed this up a little? I don't got all day. Wow. See, that is a massive, massive supernova. Let me kind of add something to give you a relative. Yeah, you can see that is Earth. Let me hide that. Barely a needle compared to that. Damn, that's huge. And yeah, they're way dead on Earth right now. Way dead. I just want to see it happen. Come on. Wow. Should I zoom in real close to Oh yeah, there goes Earth's magnetic field. Wow. Ooh, there goes the atmosphere. I shouldn't be enjoying this so much, but it's so cool. Just think this is actually probably going to happen one day. It's just awesome. I mean, the plus side of something like this is if you were on Earth, and you somehow didn't die by this point, you would see one hell of a light show on the planet. Like, look at all the That is caused by Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere, actually. All those, all that energy is kind of destroying the atmosphere. But it's basically the same as the Northern Lights, except for way more destructive. I'm surprised Earth isn't actually gone yet. That I feel like is... Yeah, that's it for Earth. If you liked that video, then please subscribe to Chimera Corpus as these two galaxies destroy each other. And also stay tuned for more videos that we do. I mean, not just this, but we'll have lots more. Thanks for watching.